video, I'm going to show you how to print and assemble your paper pattern file when you buy something digitally. So before we print, one thing you have to remember is always choose actual size, never fit to page. In that case, you will not get the correct size. And if you are still not sure, I'm going to show you, demonstrate to you today with Goneedle's full length paper pattern. So in that, you will see in your first page, there will be a square like this. This has to be 2 by 2 inches when you print. So just print the first page and see if it is 2 by 2. If yes, then you're all good. So in this one, in this digital file, you will have the pattern in two sets, set 1 and set 2, and then you have few other documents, which is one is the overview page of your skirt. It has all the measurements here, how it's going to be when it is assembled, cut and assembled, and then the sewing allowance, how much it is given is mentioned here, and then these lines, these dotted lines and colored, this is to mark, to differentiate sizes. You can either choose to print colored or black and white. And then you will have, for set 1 and set 2, you will have your map on how to place it. Yes, so how to place your patterns, you will have your map. So when you must have this handy when you are placing this, so that it makes it easy for you to place the patterns. So on set 1 it is 3 by 4, and then set 2 is 4 by 4. So I will be assembling set 1 today to show you. Before that, I am going to show you how to cut so you can easily paste. Okay, take your sets. So this is set 1 and set 2. Set 2. So whether it is 4 by 4 or 3 by 3, if it is 4 by 4, so this is 4 by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to take 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is 1, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. This is another one. 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember, when you're making with so many pages, it's easy if you get yourself organized. 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, let's start with this one. Keep your paper pattern, let's say it is facing you. Okay, 16 is facing you, right side up. Take this and cut your left side bleed, which is the border, like this, and your top bleed using the scissor or your paper cutter. You can cut it. And cut. So you will cut it like this for all the pieces. So now I have the set 1, which I already cut the left side and the top, and I'm going to show you how to assemble this. First, take your first 3 pages. Take your glue stick, put glue on this side, on your right side. It's easy if you have the smaller one, but right now I have the big one, so it's okay. When you're aligning them, now you can see you have to align you will find different shapes. Okay, so this has to align properly. Now 1, 2, and then put glue to your right side again. And then take your second one, that is 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is 4, 5 and 6. Take your fourth one, put glue to the bottom of number 1. If you follow these steps, it makes it super easy for you to assemble it, remembering to align it correctly. Okay, now put glue to the top and to your right. So like this, you will continue to do for all the pieces.